Rates dip slightly, rewarding buyers in the market with rates between 4 and 5% as more homes on the shore are readily available for sale. It's Friday, August 5th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Buyer demand remains high in Caroline, Cecil, and Queen Annes counties. Dorchester remained moderate, with Talbot at steady, and Kent County is slow. Economists predict that Maryland's Worcester County is at higher risk of pricing changes to come. Fueled by vacation home buyers, sales in Worcester County have dropped off considerably in 2022. While prices are still rising, prices may be hitting levels that are unsustainable over the next year. The median sales price in Worcester County is now $160,000 higher than it was 3 years ago. Kent County, Caroline, Dorchester, Wycomico, and Somerset counties are likely to experience more moderate pricing shifts than Worcester County. Here's where the inventory is at this week. Homes for sale rose again to 1,270 for sale, with the median sales price up further to $399,000. 78 properties are coming soon, falling further from last week. 153 came to the market since last week's report, a drop from last week's report. 97 properties are temporarily off, down a few. Only 69 properties went under contract. This is actually down 45% from last report. 102 properties went to pending, further down. 210 properties sold, which is another increase in sold properties. The highest sale this past week was in Easton for $2,425,000. Rental inventory rose to 55 properties at $1,800 per month. This is good. Got questions? Call me for real answers. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for August 5th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well. Enjoy your weekend.